Hi everyone, this is Alex, and today's video I want to show you a special noodle. This is a Korean noodle. People call it a spicy chicken flavor noodle and a super spicy. And there's so many people are showing they're eating this noodle, and I went to my local Asian market and got this bag. The reason why I never got this before is because they don't have the small bag. You have to buy an entire bag, which contains 5 small packs. And so this really spicy, but it has really good flavor. Now I'm going to make one bag and to let you see what it looks like after cooking, how spicy it is gonna be. Now I'm heating up some water. I just opened this bag, and you can see it is a big size noodle inside. It has I think this is a seaweed and sesame, and this is you just spread on the top of the noodle. And this is the famous spicy sauce. I had one of the noodle one bag before this video. It is extremely spicy, so I don't think I would like to put the entire bag, probably half. Now the water is boiling, and I'll put the noodle. And it's about 4 or 5 minutes, based on your taste. How chewy you want this noodle to be. Now the noodle is ready. By the way, I would like to add some green vegetable into my noodle, so I'm gonna boil a little bit. As I said, it's extremely spicy, so I'm not going to add the entire bag. Maybe 1/3. Well, just don't want to be too spicy. I think that's pretty good. Well, if not spicy enough, I'm gonna add a little more. But yeah, let me mix it up. I'm warning you, it is really spicy. So you better not put in entire bag. I remember the first time when I eat this noodle, and I thought, well, just a ramen noodle, it won't be that spicy. So I put an entire bag, and I find out I couldn't even eat it, and I had to add water and rinse the noodle and then eat it. So that was a experience. And now I would like to add some vegetable. Like that. Just make it a little healthy. And the last one will be the sprinkler. It's a bunch of seaweed and sesame seeds. Now this noodle is done. See? Looks really good, right? I mean, look at the spicy chili sauce. And I only put like maybe over 1/3, close to half. And I see how red the sauce. I mean, if you put an entire bag, it's gonna be really, really spicy. All right, let's start to eat it. Well, I'm gonna mix the sesame seeds and the seaweed paper. Now I'm gonna try to eat it. It's really good. It's super spicy. Even though I want to put like 1/3, less than half, but it's the color. But the flavor is so good. A little sweet and spicy. Very good. Yeah, I just ate the entire bowl of noodle. As I said, I'm warning you, it's really spicy noodle. It's really rare that you can find a ramen noodle can be this spicy and this much flavor in one noodle. And I can still feel the spice around my lip and a little burning hot. And I'm glad I didn't put the entire bag. So if you are going to try this noodle, I suggest you not put entire bag. Maybe put I'll say 1/3. If you don't feel that's spicy enough, and then you can add a little more. Don't put entire bag. I'm warning you. Yeah, well, thank you for watching my video again. And if you like my video, please thumb up and subscribe my video channel. Well, thank you so much, everybody, and see you next time. Bye.